Welcome to The Explainer. We're all about taking complex stuff and breaking it down into stories that, just make sense.
So, have you ever really thought about what makes one auto shop good and another one just great? It's not just about wrenches and oil changes anymore. The real secret? It's a totally seamless, modern workflow that puts you, the customer, right at the center of everything.
So, what does that actually look like? Let's dive in and see how technology is turning that kind of dusty, old-school garage into this super efficient service center that actually respects your time. And here it is, the big shift. We're talking about moving away from the chaos of paper clipboards, endless phone tag, and notes that just disappear to a single digital central nervous system. It's one system that connects every single part of the shop's operation.
The best way to see how this all works is to just follow along. So, let's meet our customer, Mrs. Ashley, and watch how a modern shop turns a pretty common car problem into a genuinely great experience.
All right, so the journey begins. Mrs. Ashley pulls into the shop. She doesn't have a specific diagnosis, just a couple of worries about her car. And isn't that where every repair story really starts?
She tells the service writer her brakes feel kinda spongy and she's noticed some mystery fluid on her garage floor. Now, in the old days, that gets scribbled on a notepad and poof, maybe it gets lost. But here, this becomes the very first crucial data point in a structured, permanent digital record.
And just watch how fast those worries get turned into a professional plan. The service writer follows a super clear 6-step process. This isn't about guesswork or scribbles you can't read. It's about building a clean, organized, digital foundation for the entire repair. Okay, so we've got a basic framework. But how does the shop turn that into an estimate that's efficient for them, but also crystal clear for Mrs. Ashley? Well, that's where building the perfect job comes in. The secret weapon for this is something called a custom job. Honestly, you can think of it like a chef's recipe card. Instead of figuring out the ingredients from scratch every single time you make a brake special, the parts, the labor, everything, it's already built. This saves a ton of time for sure, but it also means every customer gets the same consistent quality service. And this isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal, which is so important. The shop has a whole toolbox of job types they can use. They can handle a complex repair where the price might change, or they can lock in a fixed price for something simple, or even an advertised special. The point is, there's the right tool for every single pricing situation. Now this is where a modern shop starts to build some serious trust. It's not about just slapping a price down and saying take it or leave it. It's all about empowering you with really clear choices. They do this with what's called a good, better, best model. So right there on the estimate, Mrs. Ashley can see different options, maybe different brands of brake pads or the choice between conventional and synthetic oil. That kind of transparency is huge because it puts the customer back in the driver's seat. They feel in control. So, the perfect estimate is built, options and all. But what good is it if it's just sitting on a printer? The next step is all about communication, right? Getting that approval without getting stuck in a game of phone tag all afternoon. And this is how it's done now. Just one click and the system sends a professional text message straight to her phone. It's instant, it's documented, and it's totally respectful of her time. No more interruptions at work. That little text message points her right to her email, and boom, there's the full, detailed estimate waiting. She can look over the good, better, best options on her own time and approve the work right from her phone. That seamless loop is an absolute game changer for everybody. Okay, so the work's approved, the repair gets done, Mrs. Ashley pays the bill. For an average shop, that's it. Story's over. But for a great shop, the relationship is really just beginning.
So let's say during the inspection, the tech finds another issue. Maybe her brake rotors are worn. Mrs. Ashley says, you know what? Let's hold off on that for now. In an old shop, that recommendation just vanishes into thin air. Here, it gets logged as deferred work, and that changes everything.
So yeah, the shop gets the money from today's approved repair, let's call it $150, and that's great, that's a win for the day. But the real magic, the secret to long-term success, is tracking that potential $450 from the deferred brake job. It's not a forgotten conversation anymore, it's future business that the system will not let them forget. And the tool that does all this is the CRM, the Customer Relationship Manager. Just think of it as the shop's brain, its memory. It holds every piece of data, repair history, that deferred work, vehicle mileage, and it uses all of it to build a real, lasting relationship. So what does that mean in the real world? It means the system can automatically send an email in 3 months to gently remind Mrs. Ashley about those brake rotors. It'll text her when her next oil change is due. It's not about being pushy, it's about being proactive and genuinely helpful. It brings people back by providing real value.
Which brings us to this final question. What if your auto shop knew your car's history as well as your doctor knows yours? Would you ever even think about going anywhere else? Because that's the whole point. This modern workflow isn't just about being efficient. It's about building a foundation of knowledge and trust so deep that going to another shop would feel like starting all over again with a complete stranger.